Hello. We continue working in our science class. This is Mrs. Erika Costa from Escuela Bilingüe Honduras. Today we continue working in our science class. Please open your book to page 386 and 387. Sorry, sometimes I forgot that we are on the 300s and I write 100. Okay, 386 and 387. Chemical changes. Can you unmix a fruit salad? Sure. Can you uncook an egg? No. How does an egg change when you cook it? Okay, think about. The egg is yellow and the clear part is clear. Okay, we have the white and the yolk. The yolk is yellow, but the white part is clear. But when you cook it, the clear part turns white. Okay? Active reading. As you read these 2 pages, draw boxes around the 2 kinds of changes that are being compared. Someone forgot to clean up after a picnic. Okay, a picnic, you go outside, you go to a park and you have a picnic. But somebody just forgot the fresh fruit and the hard-boiled eggs. Okay? After 3 days, what will happen? Okay, fresh fruit and hard-boiled eggs were left in the sun. The bananas have turned black. The strawberries are covered in white fuzz. The eggs are rotting, and they stink. Chemical changes have taken place in the foods. Okay, not just how do they look, but how do they smell and how do they taste, okay? Chemical changes happen in this food that it was forgotten. How are chemical changes different from physical changes? In a chemical change, new kinds of matter are formed. Some chemical changes can be reversed using chemical means. But most of the chemical changes you see, such as the changes the food mentioned above, cannot be reversed. For example, my hair. I can color my hair, and that is a chemical change. But it will be in 3 months, it will be reversed. Why? Because my hair is growing and I will have black or brown, dark brown hair again. But if I cut, yes, it will have a physical change. I cut my hair and it will have a physical change. But in 3 months, my hair will be long again. But what happens if we lose one part of our body? You know what? The people is so sad when they lose a member of the body, like a leg or part of the body. For that reason, it's very important that we take care of ourselves, okay? So that is a physical change, but we still continue our life. For example, I cut my hair, I change color, and I can make a chemical change in my hair, but at the end, in 3 months, I will have my hair again, okay? My same color. But most of the chemical changes you see, such as the changes to food mentioned above, cannot be reversed. Some chemical changes cannot be reversed, okay? A new mailbox is made from strong metal. Over time, metal can rust, corroerse, okay? It changes color and becomes weaker. These are signs of a chemical change. For that reason, metal things, even we think, will not be affected if we put water on it. We need to give maintenance, okay? Darle mantenimiento. We continue. Look, the fire in the picture, okay, that is a chemical change because the leaves are getting burned. Se están quemando. After you see that, you will see ashes, okay? Cenizas. Continue. Before you go to next page, you have to draw a box around. Remember, active reading. As you read these 2 pages, draw boxes around the 2 kinds of changes. We have physical changes and chemical change. So draw a box around physical changes and chemical change. Okay? Very good. Number 387. Chemical changes happen all around you. They cause the green leaves on some trees to turn red, orange, and yellow. After the leaves fall, they begin to decompose or break down, forming a new kinds of matter. Okay, the leaves decompose and then it will make humus or compost. What is that? Al final, las hojas se mezclan con la tierra, con el polvo y pueden hacer humus o una clase de composta que es un abono para las plantas, ¿verdad? Como no es trash, no es basura, al final esto hace como un abono al final, ¿ok? Por eso dice forming new kinds of matter. Chemical changes happen in your body. After a scrap, knee stops bleeding. A scab begins to form. La raspadura que uno se hace en una rodilla, entonces después de que comienza a sangrar, se forma una cascarita, a scab, ¿ok? Es la piel, ¿verdad? Nueva se va a formar allí, después de ese scab. No es que esa es la piel nueva, sino que eso es como una protección para lo que está dentro de la piel, ¿ok? So a scab begins to form. The scab is a new kind of matter. Suppose you eat a pear. As your body digests the pear, chemical changes break it up into simpler substances that your body can use. Okay. Wood burns. New kinds of matter, smoke, ash, and charcoal are formed. If the wood is burned, leña, after that you have the charcoal, carbón, you have smoke, humo, or you have ash, cenizas. Okay? What's cooking? Your dad fries an egg. That's a chemical change. Name one more chemical change you could see at breakfast. How can you tell it's a chemical change? I have here frying bacon. When you fry bacon, it changes color, it looks crispy, and it tastes... Okay, I need to add the S. Sorry, it tastes different. That happened to the chicken, that happened to the meat. That happened to the hot cakes. It changed. Everything that you cook, it changed. Okay? It changed color, but a chemical change happened. For example, you cook a potato, it's different. When it is not cooked, you cannot eat the potato, but once it's cooked, you can eat the potato, okay? This small fire burns off wood and leaves, which could fuel a big fire. The firefighter sprays water on the flames. He controls the burn to keep the fire from causing harm. Okay, we are in summer, and if you see in the mountains, people is burning the mountains. they are burning the forest. Why? Some people, they want to plant corn and beans, and they have to burn the part where they are gonna plant. But sometimes they don't do the round correctly. Ronda. Ronda means that they have to take away grass, so when the fire wants to go to the next, to the side, the fire cannot go. Se hace una ronda entonces para que el fuego se mantenga solo en ese lugar donde la persona quiere sembrar, los agricultores. But what happened during this time? People that don't plant, they just burn the forest. That is not good because many animals die. And sometimes neither the firefighters can control the burn. Okay? And the fire goes to many distances. Okay? So thank you for your attention. See you in the next class. Love you, my kids. Bye-bye.